Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. The best internet resources about dog shows in Ohio. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about dog shows in Ohio is en.wikipedia.org. See the page titled Dog Meat, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site dogshowpoop.blogspot.com, especially the page Dog Show Poop, blogspot.com. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see infodog.com. The web page homepage, Infodog, the dog fancier's complete resource. This is the link.